Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook deviled eggs. First, select 6 to 8 large eggs. Place them in a single layer in a saucepan and cover with 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then remove from heat and cover for 10 to 12 minutes. Immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath for 5 minutes. This stops the cooking and makes them easier to peel, ensuring a perfect hard-boiled egg every time. Next, carefully peel your cooled eggs and slice them in half lengthwise. Gently scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Mash these yolks thoroughly with a fork until they are smooth and creamy. Now, it's time to add some flavor. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. These ingredients form the delicious base of our deviled egg filling. To enhance the flavor even further, let's add 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to the yolk mixture. Stir all these wonderful ingredients together until the mixture is perfectly creamy and well combined. Don't forget to taste it. Adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps adding a little more salt or pepper to suit your preference. For an extra smooth filling, you can even use a food processor. Finally, it's time for the fun part, assembling your deviled eggs. You can spoon the creamy yolk mixture back into the egg white halves, or for a more elegant presentation, pipe it in. Garnish each beautiful deviled egg with a sprinkle of vibrant paprika for both color and a hint of smoky flavor. Optionally, add fresh chives or a small sprig of dill. Arrange them on a platter and chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.